to my kitchen. Now, I know it's only August and it might feel a little bit early to start talking about Christmas, but last week I had a message from Happy Sprinkles asking me if I wanted to take a look and show you a little sneak peek of their new 2025 advent calendar, and I just couldn't resist. How fun is it to open advent calendars? Now, they don't want me to open the whole lot because they don't want me to spoil it for you if you wanted to get one, but we are allowed to open a few of the doors, so I am super excited. Now, when this arrived, I've taken it out of the box, but I haven't looked at any of the windows, but it is just the cutest advent calendar, and I have to say it's super heavy as well. Now, on the front we have the cutest Christmas scene. We have all these Christmas houses. They're in the pastel colors and they're all decorated for Christmas, and this continues on the sides as well. And then if we open it up, you can see that we have this baking scene on the inside. So they're doing some Christmas baking with some Happy Sprinkles. We've got cakes and cupcakes, and it's just so pretty. Over here we have all these little drawers. Now, there are 24 drawers, so this is going to take you right up until Christmas, and I'm just so excited to see what is inside. Now, Happy Sprinkles have said that we can open 5 doors, and they've said that we can open door number 1. So let's take a look. So door number 1 is this green one here. So it's just a little drawer that pulls out, and we have these super pretty pink sprinkles. Now, yep, these ones are Christmas sprinkles. So we've got candy canes and Christmas trees. There's snowflakes, and I can just see a gingerbread man. So those are super pretty. There's also some little pink presents in there as well. So that's door number 1. The next door that they've said we can open is door number 5. So up in this top corner, this pink one. So I'm going to take that out. And this looks like another Christmas sprinkles. So this is gonna let you do some Christmas baking leading up to Christmas. So this is more of a classic Christmas color. So we've got greens and reds and whites and golds in there. I can see some candy canes, some little angels, some snowmen, and I think we've got a little Rudolph sprinkle in there as well. And they're just so pretty. So this is the Jingle Joy pot, and these are 90-gram pots, so these are their standard size pots, so that's really lovely. The next number is number 6, so that's the big one down here. So if we take that out, this has got one of their Happy Drips. So this color is Bordeaux. I've not seen this color before, and that is just so pretty and perfect for the winter season. So it's kind of like a burgundy color, and you've probably seen me use the Happy Drips on the channel before. They're just so easy to add drip onto your cakes. So I love that. So I'll pop that one over there. The next number is number 13. So another one on this side. So if I take that one out, what is this? So this is, I think this is one of their, yes, it's one of their toppings. So this is Choco Crunch. So you could use these on cakes, or I'm thinking you could even use these on ice cream or kind of anything really that you wanted to add on. But this would look so lovely on a chocolate cake. So there's just lots of little chocolate pieces on there. And what's great about this one is that you can use this one all year round. So that is perfect. The next one, and our last door that we can open, is door number 22. Oh, another one up here, so this red one. So we take that out, and this is something different. Oh, I've just noticed as well, this one has a little saying on the back. So it says, "Life is butter when you're together." So that's really lovely. So if we take that out, and this is a food gel. So this is Happy Color, so some of their colouring, and this is an oil-based colour in this pretty Tiffany colour. So a Tiffany blue, and that is just so lovely. That's a 20ml bottle, so that's going to last you ages, and I love that. So there we have the little sneak peek of their advent calendar. I cannot tell you how excited I am to open the rest of these doors, but I am going to leave it until closer to Christmas. So let me know if you want me to show you what is inside the rest of this calendar. Now, if you would love a sprinkle themed advent calendar and you wanted to grab one for yourself, then Happy Sprinkles are now selling these. And I think just for a limited time, they do have an early bird price. So I'll put a link to their website in the description below so you can head over and check that out. But I think this is just a lovely, lovely calendar, especially if you like sprinkles and all things baking. So I'm gonna love opening mine at Christmas. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's just been a short one just to show you what's inside this calendar. But as always, if you do want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to the Kate Bunnings YouTube channel, and I will be back very soon with a new video. Bye.